Fáilte chuig Rang Gaeilge, your go-to Irish grammar website. Today we're looking at hOrduimhreacha, but be careful, you need to know hOrduimhreacha Neamhphearsanta before learning this. hOrduimhreacha are the numbers used to tell us the order that people or things come in. Let's just dive straight in. We say an chéad for the first. An chéad puts a séimhiú on a consonant but doesn't change a gutta. For example, an chéad are, the first man, but an chéad iasc, the first fish. The rules change after an chéad. Here are the Orduimhreacha from 2nd to 10th. The second, an dara. The third, an tríú. The fourth, an cathrú. The fifth, an cúigiú. The sixth, an séimhiú. The seventh, an seachtú. The eighth, an tuchtú. The ninth, an naú. The 10th, an dehú. 2nd to 10th don't change a consonant, but put a H before a gutta. So like an séimhiú fear, the 6th man, but an cathrú hiasc, the 4th fish. From 11th to 19th, the animacle being ordered comes before the word déag. Here are the words. The 11th, an tainú animacle déag. The 12th, an dóú animacle déag. The 13th, an tríú animacle déag. The 14th, an cathrú animacle déag. The 15th, an cúigiú animacle déag. The 16th, an séimhiú animacle déag. The 17th, an seachtú animacle déag. The 18th, an tuchtú animacle déag. The 19th, an naú animacle déag. These words also don't change a consonant but put a H before a gutta. There are special Orduimhreacha for ordering the tens, and here they are. The 20th, an fichiú. The 30th, an tríochadú. The 40th, an dahadú. The 50th, an cuagadú. The 60th, an seascadú. The 70th, an seachtodú. The 80th, an tuchtodú. The 90th, an nócadú. All of these words cause no change to a consonant but put a H before a gutta. Mar hampla, an tríochadú fear, the 30th man, an seascadú hiasc, the 60th fish. If you have a number such as 33rd, 46th, or 79th, which incorporate a 10, we use the Uimhreacha Neamhphearsanta version of the 10. The same structure as 11th to 19th is used, but with the word is before the 10. Mar hampla, an tríú fear is tríocha, the 33rd man. Just two small things to note. We don't put a séimhiú on nouns that begin with D, S or T. Mar hampla, an chéad déagóir, the first teenager. And if déag follows a word ending with a vowel, the déag takes a séimhiú, such as an tríú ultra dhéag, the 13th nurse. Agus sin é.